Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Going to do a tune-up report on the Stryker SR-955HPC. This is for Corey in Oklahoma. Okay, Corey, starting on AM with the power all the way down. Take a look at this watt meter over here. Reads 10 watts across the top scale. All the way down, it's just a little over 1.25. The next one's going to be on the next scale up. That's 10, 20, 30. Alright, so now I'll turn the knob all the way up. She goes up to 20. Peak power we're going to read on the 100 watt slug over on this meter. We'll be reading across the bottom. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. Okay. Now let's take a look at what sideband does. We'll turn this radio down. Sideband. Audio, check. Audio. Audio. Check. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking great. Okay. We can see the FM mode goes up to 40. Alright. There you go. Power back up on AM. Throw it up on the air real quick. I'm going to start skipping this stuff. I'm telling you. I'm warning you. It's never anyone out there. About a 15. Anybody out there this morning? Got a screwdriver over here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We're trying.
Hello out there around Fort Lauderdale, 29-0-5-25.
Well, that bayou sounded really good. Thank you very much.
I guess he don't hear Texas. I guess he don't copy on Texas out here. We back out.
I hear you, Texas. Sounding good, brother.